Hey guys, welcome back. I got another video for you. Now, the video quality is not the best in this, but you're going to get the gist of it. Anyway, normally police departments, the officers got multi-cameras, one from each officer, but apparently only one officer had a camera on it this time from Panama City, Florida. Anyway, on 3/29 of 2025 in Panama City, Florida, actually Panama City Beach, Florida, there was a young lady that was on vacation from Alabama, and she got a little intoxicated. And let's just say a lot of the stuff she was saying just didn't make sense. So let's just go ahead and watch this video.
Disclaimer: persons depicted in this video are presumed innocent until proven guilty in court of law. This video is for educational and news purposes only. All information has been supplied by law enforcement agencies and is considered by law to be public domain information. Body-worn camera footage has been edited for length and in accordance with YouTube community guidelines while maintaining a journalistic focus.
Go ahead, breathalyzer. Black sandals, white socks. Leaving the wicked wheel on foot. Go ahead, breathalyzer them too. They're drunk, baby. In contact, hold them notified.
I'm ready. You gotta wait no 10 seconds.
Breathalyze them. They got it drunk.
70 Panama Beach, signal 65, parking lot dealers.
Recording.
Good. Central Panama Beach.
They drunk. They got a reason.
You got an ID on you, ma'am?
I don't, sir. I'm sorry.
White female,
I can
1015,
tell you
signal
I got a birthday, a little reason, everything. I can tell you.
White female, 1015, signal 22.
One of them is pregnant, and I
Request,
you can see my
you're
other.
gonna be behind the old Tootsies at West Pier Park Drive. Behind Tootsies, West Pier Park Drive. Can we get a mutual aid unit out here? I got it. You got it.
You got it. Officer. Can you see officer?
Yeah, Beach to any mutual aid in the area to see that West Park Drive.
The officer.
14.
Officer, can you see everything?
See if it's 74.
Can you see everything over there just fine, sir? He is pregnant, officer.
Okay, well, we're not gonna hit people's cars and be a nuisance.
He is pregnant, officer. And she is drinking, and officer needs an officer.
Where's he at?
Without
He's gonna be at Chubby's.
officer. She is drinking.
It'll be the whole Tootsie.
I feel like that is a danger to the officer license. Is that really an officer to my license reason?
Okay, I don't know what you're saying, but you were beating on that girl's car.
Because
That's not what you're supposed to. No.
She was
No.
reason to an officer license. She is drinking
you know what
without
we're
an
talking
officer
about.
license. She is drunk and she's reason license.
She's drunk?
She is
Okay.
pregnant without a license reason. I don't have a license reason. I would say I'm drunk license, but I thought she was reading on a bicycle reason. She's drunk without an officer's reason. I thought she was drinking, officer.
You know that?
I do not know them, but I thought she was drinking. Apparently she's not supposed to be drinking because she's pregnant. And I do not feel like that is not right light.
How you know she's pregnant?
Because I saw her and I heard she talking to her friends. And she was saying she's not supposed to be an officer.
75 from
So
Beach,
if
Mark
you do
Beach.
in to court, I do have right officer
Signal
reason.
60 in the area, 36 Roadhouse, 1566 Beach Parkway.
She's not supposed
On
to be
Black
licensed.
Beach in
She told
reference
me
to a
herself
dump
she's
truck
not
broke
supposed to be
out,
licensed.
causing
She told
signal
me herself
15
she's
in
not
the
old enough to be
only.
licensed.
Have a good night.
She is not old enough to be
Yeah,
licensed to
406.
be drinking. And I have the officer to be licensed to be drinking. So everyone did.
It's a pretty sound argument.
Yeah, Beach 12.
This baby is right. Okay. I have had 2 licensed officers. But I just want to make sure that I said, okay.
Yeah, Beach 12. Can you type up? 1021. Beach 12, you can text them to you.
I have license on. She has no
70 Panama Beach.
She has had 2 licenses.
beating on someone's car.
Officer, I have not been. You can do what you want to do. Go ahead.
I don't know if you want to come stop him. She was in a hold of their car now? I don't know. We rolled up and she was arguing. And I pulled out and we're like, get this girl out. She beat me out of my car. And I get out and she's like banging on the hood.
Nope, stand up.
38 to 12, I believe he's sorry, to 96 PCJ. I'm trying to find out how long he is.
Every time I called him, I've had to call him.
Stand up. Don't fall down.
That's on my truck. Don't you get that nasty ass makeup on my brand new truck.
I've just been abused before.
Okay.
And I'm just...
10 to 12, he's going over the Hathaway.
Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. You're not standing up.
Interview 75.
75.
For further signal 14, we have second caller that advised that there is a eastbound lanes in front of Olive Garden.
Intro 6.
2031.
I'm sorry, sir.
You don't have to apologize to me. You apologize to people that you keep beating on their cars.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
29 Panama Beach.
29.
Perfect, that call. Behind back porch, huh? Walk the area, their GOA.
Where's your license at?
That's Panama
It's
62.
not in my car, officer. I was going to go to...
2032.
So what are you doing? Stand up.
I'm not going to... Officer, sir. I don't have
Interview
it in my
38,
car. I'm sorry, officer.
Stop. Stop trying to fall down. Stop.
2032.
Here, can they watch me?
Come on, man. Step up.
Can they watch me search
I
you?
know, officer. Need to sir.
I need you to step up.
It's not in me.
Here, step up in the truck. Come on.
1 foot up. There you go.
I'm not officer. Sorry, sir.
There you go.
It's not officer.
Can you give this officer all your information?
Officer. Maybe July 25th, 2006.
July 15, 2006.
I'm not officer. Leave me,
What
sir.
state are you from?
Alabama.
Alabama?
Yes, sir.
You got anything on you?
No, sir, I don't.
You ain't got no drugs, nothing
No,
like
sir,
that?
I don't. I just saw somebody getting harassed, and I tried to stop it so they wouldn't harass me anymore. I'm sorry.
Just get a piece of paper so you can write down where we're at.
55. 55 of black male out of Alabama by name and birth. Go ahead. First name's Jason, common spelling. Middle initials D for Dwayne. Last name's Wynn. William Ida Nora. Date of birth is going to be 25 of 05. Black male out of Alabama. 1013, 96, 1020.
Alabama itself, but she doesn't know here, so okay.
Correct.
I'm 18.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
What's your name?
2033. Hey, please have my name, date of birth, so it's Alabama.
Or I've never been with themselves. I'm sorry.
Number, are you going to be on Ox 2?
I'm from Alabama.
Good one.
Let's see. Rudy,
Yes, sir.
girl, you can't handle your alcohol.
Go ahead.
What was your first name?
Area.
Ashley?
Yes,
How did
sir.
you get such a pretty name and look this horrible right now?